What truly drives human ambition? It isn't just basic survival anymore. It's status. It's the visceral need to announce to the world, I have achieved the unachievable. Welcome back to the deep dive. Forget practicality. Today, we dissect the ultra-luxury ego. We're looking at die-cast models that aren't merely vehicles. They are trophies of success. They are miniature manifestos of wealth, exclusivity, and raw, undisputed power. Our focus is Group 1, the manifestation of ultra-luxury and ego. 3 die-cast, 3 statements. Let's explore the true price of power. We start with the ultimate declaration of technical dominance, the Bugatti Chiron. This machine isn't just fast, it's a flex of engineering over physics. Specifically, the Super Sport 300 Plus. This version, the one that broke the 300 miles per hour barrier, is the pure definition of visible achievement. That record isn't a functional goal for a consumer car. It's a declaration of corporate ego. Look at the Mini GT version. The full carbon finish. It screams expense and exclusivity. Owning this die-cast connects you, even conceptually, to that extreme, unreachable echelon of wealth.
Terbang tinggi, takkan pernah berhenti.
The SIKU model is more accessible, but the message is the same. It's a Bugatti. It's the best. This hypercar doesn't just transport you, it proves you are mathematically superior to 99.9% of the road-going population. It's the ultimate validation through horsepower and price tag. What lengths would you go to own that feeling?
Di bawah lampu dan nada ini, kita terbang tinggi takkan pernah berhenti. Kau pesona diriku, di setiap detikku hanya ingin bersamamu. Di bawah lampu dan nada ini, kita terbang tinggi takkan pernah berhenti. Kita terbang tinggi, takkan pernah berhenti.
Next, we pivot from speed to space. The Tomica Long Cadillac Escalade. This isn't about setting records, it's about dominating the landscape. The Escalade is validation by physical dominance. It's the modern-day chariot of CEOs, celebrities, and world leaders. Its sheer size and chrome grille announce your arrival before you've even stepped out. It's a cocoon of absolute luxury, designed to shield you while simultaneously demanding attention from everyone else. Look at the scale difference, even in miniature. The Tomica Long version emphasizes that stretch, that commitment to unparalleled passenger space and opulence. This vehicle says, "My time is more valuable, my comfort is paramount, and my entourage requires its own zip code." This diecast captures the feeling of absolute security and importance. When you see this on the road, your immediate thought is, who is inside? And what world-changing business are they conducting? It's the ultimate statement of uncontested authority in the urban jungle.
Kita terbang tinggi, takkan pernah berhenti. Kita terbang tinggi, takkan pernah berhenti.
So we have the mathematical superiority of the Bugatti and the physical dominance of the Escalade. What do these tiny pieces of metal really tell us about ambition? They reveal that ultra-luxury is a conversation with the public. The vehicle isn't a private pleasure, it's a tool for public validation. Whether it's hitting 300 miles per hour or simply being the largest, most commanding presence at the valet stand, the goal is the same: to be seen and to be envied. These models, whether a $10 SIKU or a premium Mini GT, let us hold that power fantasy in our hands. They are miniature motivational tools. They tap into the very human desire for exclusivity, achievement, and recognition. The Bugatti says, "I conquer the track." The Escalade says, "I conquer the city." They are both chasing the same thing: the approval of the crowd. Which miniature symbol of success speaks loudest to your ambition? Are you the speed demon, Bugatti, or the dominating force, Escalade? Tell me in the comments. If you enjoyed diving into the psychology behind these high-stakes diecast, hit that like button and subscribe. We'll keep looking for the big stories hidden in the smallest cars. Until next time, keep dreaming big.